Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored and elated to accept Ladli's Media Award for Gender Sensitivity in the theatre category. We are filled with gratitude and sincerely thank Ladli, Mr. Bobby Sista, Dr. Sharda, the awards committee, and all those working hard at Population First and Ladli to help empower women and end violence against women and girls. When my son Kaizad and I started Poor Box Productions in 1996, our primary objective was to bring to India professional and quality theatre productions which were also of some social and cultural importance to our audiences. Yet never in our wildest dreams did we think our journey would include a play like the Vagina Monologues. We also never dreamt that much of our life's focus would transform into working to eliminate violence against women and children. And we certainly had no idea that this play and our work would lead to a stream of awards and recognitions like the honor you bestow upon us today. Nowhere else can you find better proof of the fact that art literally saves lives than in both our English and Hindi productions of the Vagina Monologues. The applause, the tears, the laughter we have created with over 1,000 houseful audiences over the last 17 years has been rewarding and deeply gratifying. Yet it is the stories of real lives changed and even saved which has proven to be the ultimate reward for any artist and any human could possibly ask for. While Ladli is honoring Kaizad and myself, Poor Box Productions and the Vagina Monologues, we would also like to share this prestigious moment with many who have made this journey possible. Our committed and brilliant cast and crew who 17 years later are still going strong with us. To Dolly Thakur, Jayati Bhatia, Avantika Kerkar, Sonali Sachdev, Varsha Agnihotri, Dilna Zirani, Rasika Dougal, Mona Ambegaonkar, Priyanka Setya, Gitika Tyagi, Shivani Tangsale, Spatika Ramanujam, Hidayat Sami, Bhola Sharma, Girish Kumar Mungania, Imran Khan, Ridesh Vora, Yael Krishna, Shruti Sashidharan, Ritu Bhatia and Joydeep Sarkar, we say a big thank you from the bottom of our hearts for agreeing to join us on this somewhat fraught, mostly life-changing journey. We also would like to say a special thank you to Prithvi Theatre that has allowed us to perform this play for years on end when other theatres refuse to do so. Through our work with the global movements V-Day and 1 Billion Rising, we have raised awareness and funds to try and end violence against women once and for all. Here we wish to thank all our supporters and donors, and especially Susan Swan and Monique Wilson for their support and help in making these movements come to fruition in India. Our deepest thanks, of course, goes to Eve Ensler, who now wishes to be simply known by the letter V. She trusted us with her work, and her love and unyielding support have forever changed our lives. We thank our innumerable audiences who have supported us steadfastly and played their own roles in bringing about change. We promise to keep going with this play and this work for as long as audiences will keep coming, and as long as women continue to be violated. In India, that road seems endless and very fraught. Sometimes when giving up seems easier, I remember the words of Mary Ann Radmacher, who said, "Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day that says, I will try again tomorrow." We at Poor Box Productions thank you again at Ladli, and wow, we will try again tomorrow. Thank you.